Hey pioneers, listen up! If you've been following Pi Network, you know things are moving fast, like rocket ship fast. Today, I've got some huge updates about Mainnet migration and KYC that you do not want to miss. First up, Mainnet migration. Pi just dropped a technical update that's allowing millions, yes, millions of pioneers to finally migrate to Mainnet. If you were one of the 2.5 million stuck in migration limbo because of extra security checks, this is your moment. The system will now automatically migrate your balance if you're actively mining and you've ticked off everything on that Mainnet checklist. Why does migration, or KYC, happen in batches? It's all about security. Some accounts need extra checks. Think of it like airport security, but for your digital wallet. Each group stuck in a corner case gets a custom tech fix, and as soon as it's ready, bam, you're unblocked. That's why some pioneers have to wait a bit longer. It's not random. It's about keeping things safe and fair. Now here's the next big thing. KYC applications are about to open up for more than 700,000 pioneers who were previously blocked. If you've been stuck waiting, keep an eye on your Pi app over the next few weeks. As soon as you see that green light, submit your KYC ASAP. It puts you at the front of the line for all things Mainnet. But wait, there's more. Pi is about to roll out a beta for palm print authentication. Yep, you heard that right. Instead of showing your face, you'll be able to use your palm print to prove you're a real human. This isn't just about cool new tech. It's about privacy and security. Palm prints could help with account recovery, password resets, two-factor authentication, you name it. It's coming to a select group for beta testing soon, and if it works, it could change the way we do identity on Pi forever. So, where do we stand? Over 16 million pioneers have already migrated to Mainnet. That's a massive, fully identity-verified community, something almost no other blockchain can claim. Every update, every new feature, is about making sure Pi's ecosystem is safe, strong, and ready for the future. If you're one of the lucky ones getting unblocked, don't wait. Check your Pi app, get your KYC in, and keep an eye out for that palm print beta. The Mainnet revolution is here, and you're right at the center of it. Stay tuned, stay mining, and I'll see you on Mainnet.